to show you how to play The Sound of Silence by Simon and Garfunkel. If you want the letter notes for that, you go to LetterNotePlayer.com. I have them there for you. Let's start with the melody. We're in the key of D sharp minor, which is the relative minor for F sharp major, which has 6 sharps. So all the black notes, it's constantly, just about all the notes in the piece are black notes. Occasionally there's an F in there, and occasionally there's probably a C in there too, but most of it is going to be sharps. D, C sharp, D sharp, F sharp, G sharp, A sharp. So we start off with the melody, and we start off on a D sharp. D sharp, F sharp, A sharp, G sharp, then down to C sharp, F, there's your F, G sharp, F sharp, F sharp, A sharp, C sharp, D sharp, C sharp, F sharp, A sharp, C sharp, D sharp, D sharp, C sharp, F sharp, D sharp, F, D sharp, F sharp, F, D sharp, C sharp, D sharp, C sharp, A sharp, F sharp, C sharp, F sharp, D sharp. So you can see it's almost all sharps in there. And then it just repeats, the melody repeats. So we start off the chord, we start off with C sharp and G sharp. So there's your C sharp chord, and here's your C sharp major arpeggio, which is C sharp, F, G sharp. There's our D sharp minor. Now D sharp minor is an all black chord. D sharp, F sharp, A sharp. So we got up to F sharp. Now F sharp is an all black key too. F sharp, A sharp, C sharp. And then we go to a B. See, we got a B in there that's a white note. We got an F that occasionally is a white note. The F is actually an E sharp, but I just write it as an F. But you've got an F. Now when you go to this B chord, B, D sharp, F sharp, I only play the open 5th on most of these because the 3rd is right there in the melody. And here I just play the single F sharp. You can get away with it. Back to B. From B to F sharp, D sharp minor, F sharp, C sharp, D sharp. So that little segment, F sharp, hit it again, and then go to the F sharp. Now to the C sharp. And then double down. Now they do a little right-handed riff right there, but all I play is, and we're into the second verse. Same thing. Just the melody changes a little bit. Rhythmically it changes. The notes stay the same. Usually you soften up as you come to that cadence right there, and then pick up as you go into the next verse. This next verse, 4th verse, so that you can see it slowly, I'm going to go very slowly. try not to play a black note with my thumb or my little finger. But in this case, it's easier because I'm going up to that D sharp note. Then I run out of fingers. So in this case I do that. But as a general rule, I play the white notes with the thumb and little finger if I can, and get the black notes with the middle 3 fingers. Doesn't always work out. Put in a little riff right there. So we play the F sharp, C sharp, F, and then the D sharp and the A sharp. And then the last verse, we're right back to the, it's almost like the first verse. To that neon, they get a little, do that neon God they made. So that one is short right there. The first verse has that too. The first verse has the first opening line that they get that little da 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 dee da. Now this one doesn't do that. This verse goes da da dee 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 dee, but then do 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 do. So that fifth verse, and I'm going to play that with my index finger there, that F, because I can do that a little better than with my thumb. I can't quite get it as good with the thumb. So you've got that. I'll use the index finger on that F right there. Now here I'm going to change to the thumb again. See, I'm on the middle finger. I'm the same note, but I'm going to change to the thumb. Now this is tricky. When the subways are written on the subway walls, and then you hit this chord, and then in tenement halls. So there I'm going to change fingers too. I'm going to go from this finger, because I'm going to do all 3 of those. Now it's tricky to get that ring finger to get those fast D sharps in. And we go to the D sharp, A sharp right there. And then you don't hit this D sharp again. You hit the A sharp right there, and then softly slow down, and then we end it with a rolled chord, or just a plain chord. Either way you want to go right there. The Sound of Silence. Classic piece by Simon and Garfunkel.